So good evening, sir and ma'am. I created one project regarding the miner safety. So this helps for the safety of miner. So let's connect the system. Okay. So this is helping to the connecting the safety of miner. So in this project, what I am doing is I am taking the three values for the checking of mining condition. Okay. So we are taking three values, which is gas, temperature, and humidity. These three values helps to detect what is the condition of mining area. Okay. So using temperature and humidity, using humidity. Okay. So let's take example of humidity. Okay. So if in mining area the humidity is high, it means the chances of rockfall is more. Okay, rockfall. So that's why we are taking a humidity. We are taking temperature on a gas. Okay, so if any fire detects in coal mine, let's take an example of coal mine. If any fire detects or any thing happens, okay, any dangerous thing happen for the coal miners. Okay, if any incident happens, what it does is it detects the value, and after above the threshold value, it will send the mail to the rescue team. Okay, so rescue team will get the location using Neo 6 and GPS location. Okay, and coal miner will continuously see the readings of the condition of coal mine using OLED display. So here we are doing the connection. So what is our connection is we are connected ESP32 Wi-Fi model with a Neo 6 and GPS location to taking the location of a miner in a coal mine. We are taking a OLED display to display what are the conditions of the coal mine. We are taking gas sensor. Gas sensor helps to detect the gas. We are taking DHT11. DHT11 helps to detect the uh, DHT11 helps to detect our temperature and humidity. Okay. After all, we are connecting a Python. Okay, using Python, we are connecting a machine learning. Deep learning algorithms. Okay, so it helps for more accurate values and more precise values. If any error happens or anything happens, it helps us to detect and safeguard the miner also for a better product. Okay, so what we are doing is we are sending the mail. Okay, so how mail is sent? Okay, so first what we are doing is we are taking all that particular Wi-Fi we are connecting, everything is connected. After that, what we are doing is we are if the button is clicked, okay, so we are giving here one button. If the button is clicked, the mail will be sent. Okay, so after sending mail to the rescue team will get the location. Okay, so here you can see, the button function. Okay, so here we are after the button is high, it will send the to mail. Okay, so here what we are doing is we are updating all the levels and all the values to a theme stock. Okay, so I will show you the theme stock. So here you can see it's continuously updating. Okay, in theme stock there is temperature, humidity, and gas. All these three value is continuously updating. Okay, and we can get the value and we can directly download or import the data set to our system. Okay, local system. So I'm not downloading data set in our local system because I'm doing Python. So in this only I am creating a CSV file, and using that we are generating a machine learning also. Okay, sorry, deep learning. Okay, so here what we are doing is after updating the things of if the temperature, okay, let's come to the threshold. If the temperature is above 60, it will send the mail. If the humidity is above 80, it will send the mail. If the gas level will be about 10,000, it will send the mail. Okay, so this 10,000 converts to that particular 10. Okay, 1.0. So like that it will be. Okay, so one means it's directly sending the mail. Okay, so I'm taking because of deep learning algorithm, I want to show that's why I'm taking 10,000. So it will become, so it should be 7,000, not 10,000. Okay, so what I am doing is how we are sending mail. Okay, let's come to how we are sending mail. If this you can see is after about threshold, it will send the mail. Okay, so it's not continuously sending mail. It sends the mail only once. Okay, after sending the mail at which particular location there is error, or sorry, there is risk. So that particular location they get to know, and they get to know the minor location also. So after that, what it is doing is if the miner come out that particular location, okay, so again we are giving the flag value. So flag value again it becomes 0. Okay, so if again miner will go to that particular location which is danger zone, which helps. So because of flag 0, it will again send the mail. Okay, so it's not continuously sending the mail. If any risk happens, is at a particular time it was sending the mail. Let's take an example for this. if the gas value is above 10,000, it sends the mail once. Okay. After that, if the miner will click the button, it will send mail. Okay. Not continuously send mail. One time it will send. Whenever the button was clicked or a threshold was up, like value is above threshold. Okay. So if the value comes back below the threshold. Okay. So it will again flag will be zero. So it will not send any mail. Nothing it will do. But flag turns to the zero. Okay. If coal mine again to a particular location which in which the gas level is above 10,000, okay, it will send the mail again. Okay, so if any jump happens, like threshold will be low or high, it will sending the mail continuously. Okay, so like that it will send continuously, but this will not happen continuously. Okay, so this here we are connecting the SMTP server for the simple mail transfer protocol to send the mail to a rescue team. Okay, so here you can see the particular code for that sending the mail. So here we connected our ESP32 Wi-Fi model and we uploaded all the program in. Okay, now come back to the person program of deep learning. So what we are doing is here we are creating a deep learning model which we are using two deep learning models. One is for getting the value of error. Okay, that's it. And other we are getting the latitude and longitude. But if we are not get the value of gas, okay, so what it will do, it will predict the gas value. Okay, it will predict the gas value and upload to the database. It will not take a wrong gas value. Okay, so I will show you the demo also for that. And what second deep learning model we are doing is if okay, second deep learning model is after getting the value of gas, okay, it will detect in which category it is. It is low level gas, it is high level gas, or it is medium. Okay, so it classifies the level of gases. So what my aim is to convert as low, medium, high. I want the gas is the CO2 or oxygen like that. I want to detect. Okay, so using that we can't detect, but yeah, what we can do is for a particular range of gas values, we can put that this will be the oxygen, this will be the uh, CO2, like that we can detect. Okay, so I'm trying to that model also. Okay, so now what is our next step is this is our model, both models we are doing. Okay, so first we are taking the serial port. So whenever this serial port is connected to our system, okay, so using that, which port we have to use? This is port for the particular port connection. Okay, this is our model connection. Okay, so using this model, what we are doing is we are detecting the gas value using latitude and longitude. Okay, here you can see here is my another code which helps to classify my gas levels. It is medium, low, or high. Okay. So now what? So now what I am doing is here I am taking the serial port and we are connecting to the serial port and reading each and every line using the sensors. Okay, using ESP32, we are reading each and every line. After that, if the gas value is below 8,000, okay, so it will update directly to that our CSV file. Okay, if the gas value is above 88,000, so what it will do? So here it will be one. Okay, so this is the default value for that gas sensor if it is not able to read. Okay, so this 8191 value helps to detect what is the there is error. Okay, so this error helps take equals to also. So this error helps to detect the value. Okay, so now after that it will predict. Okay, so it will predict the value using latitude and longitude. So predicting value, it will update to that the CSV file. Okay, so we can use as database also as accept CSV file. Okay, and again, I'm using here model 2. So model 2 helps to predict the category. So if it is 1, it means it is medium. If it is 0, it means it is high. Or if it is 2, it means it is low. Okay, so this helps you detect what is the level of so our gas. Okay, so this model helps to getting the correct value. If any error happens or anything happens using deep learning, we are giving the correct value and we are finding the correct values. Okay. So here we created one more part which is heat map, which helps in server. Okay. So let's show first the serial monitor. Serial monitor and how it is working. Okay, for converted. So I will go to the port 11 because the port 11 is our connected USB cable for that ESP32. So Okay, now the training of that our model is started. So first it will train the past data which we already have. Okay, so here we are taking epochs 150 because our data is approximate that size. Okay, then we are taking epochs 10 for that particular data. Okay, because here we already have the loss is very less. So that's why we are taking epochs is less. So it's continuously now detecting you can see it was detecting the value. Okay, then it's the value is below 8191. Okay, so that's why it's directly taking the values and uh, it will predict the model. It is medium, low, or high, and it will predict the median. Okay, so let's I will remove one wire so it will not detect the correct value. So I will remove the wire. Okay, so after that, here you can see 8191 value. Okay, so this 8191 value means it is right. Okay, so here you can see it was start detecting the value also. So here you can see is 2652. Okay, so it's detect the value approximate correctly. Okay, because here you can see is our loss is approximately less. Its loss is approximately 0.038. It is very less loss. Okay, so it's approximately correct value. Okay, so I will show you the database also. So I'm taking CSV file currently. We are not updating in database. Okay, so here you can see it's continuously updating. Okay, here 3 total values is there where you can see the gas values, all the location at a particular location. Okay, so here you can see it's continuously updating the values. Okay. So if I will connect again to this, so here I connected again. So here you can see now it taking the original value. Okay, because the again analog output will be 2160, which is gas level, which is again below 28191. Okay, so after that it is continuously updating now again. Okay, it's folder. We have to refresh the data set. Yeah, you can see here now 451 lines are here. So it's updating the value, and here you can see again 0.2022. Okay, so like that, it's updating the value. Okay, so here I'm giving the 10,000 divided, which is not required here. Okay, so that's why it's showing that 0.003 something. Okay, so it's fine. So that's it's fine. So it's again updating the time. Okay, now what I give this third part is heat map. So in this heat map, what it is going on, it will take the live data from the database. Okay, whatever the data live we are taking, live updating of data also, it takes data and it will show on the map. Okay, like what is the level of gas and what is that on a colored platform. Okay, it is visualized. Okay, which is better. So everyone can understand easily. So let's take the server. Okay, I will give the server. So here you can see this value in Bangalore. You can see I done it. Okay, this particular locations we already have fast data and live data which we are taking, which is near system. It is not taking the correct data because I am in indoor state. So that's why it's taking the particular location, which is default location. It is not correct, but yeah, because I am in indoor state. Okay, so it's continuously updating. If I will change again, if I will reload again, okay, yeah, see here again it will restart. Okay, it will reload continuously. If I reload here also, it will continuously reload. Okay. Okay, so it's continuously reloading. Okay, so like that. So what I'm doing here is I'm creating a flask here using, and we are using a HTTP server using Flask. So here I'm taking a Selenium. So Selenium helps to make a generate a heat map. Okay, heat map is like complete map. Okay, and in this we are taking the map object. So this map object helps to which particular location we have to. Okay, so it means whenever I will load. Okay, I am at this location, this particular coordinates. After this particular coordinates, like center of my map, and what is the zoom level? Okay, so this is the zoom level 6. This is zoom level 5 like that. Okay. So after that, what I'm doing here is generating a heat map. Okay. How we are generating a heat map? Taking the data. How we are taking the data? We are clearing the past data. Again, we are reading the CSV file. Then we are removing the first row, which is latitude, longitude, and all the labels. Taking each and every row and converting to the list and appending to the list and taking each list as first is latitude, longitude, and gas level. Okay. So this helps to generate a heat map. Okay, and we're sending that to the data and generating the heat map. This heat map will be stored at template. So here you can see templates. Okay, so here this will be storing. So all these will be stored in templates and opening that also on a server. Okay, it's debugging equals to true means it is continuously updating. Okay, if it is debugging equals to false, it's not able to update. Okay, whenever the server is loaded, it will not update continuously. So like that, I'm creating our project which helps for the miner to be safe in a coal mine or any other type of mine. Okay, so this is our project, uh, miner helmet. Okay, for the safety of miner. So thank you for this project opportunity.